Hey everyone, welcome to the Gold Wave Network. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways to grow your Shopify dropshipping store with little to no money. These strategies will help you build a thriving business without breaking the bank. Let's get started. 1. Social media. First up, leverage social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. These platforms are free to use and have huge audiences. Instagram, post regularly with high-quality images and videos of your products. Use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. TikTok, create short, engaging videos showcasing your products. Jump on trending challenges and hashtags to increase visibility. Collaborate with other TikTok users to expand your reach. Facebook, join groups related to your niche and participate actively. Share your products in these groups, but ensure you provide value to avoid coming off as spammy. 2. Create a YouTube channel to build a loyal following and establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Why YouTube? It's the second largest search engine in the world, making it a powerful tool for driving traffic. You can create various types of content such as product reviews, unboxings, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes videos. Tips for YouTube. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you're enjoying these tips so far, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. 3. Build a brand around your store. Building a brand is crucial for long-term success. A strong brand creates customer loyalty and makes your store memorable. Why build a brand? It differentiates you from competitors who might be selling similar products. It creates an emotional connection with your customers, leading to repeat purchases. It allows you to charge premium prices due to perceived value. How to build a brand. Develop a unique brand story and mission that resonates with your audience. Use consistent branding elements such as logos, colors, and fonts across all platforms. Provide exceptional customer service to create a positive reputation. 4. Optimize your store for SEO is a cost-effective way to drive organic traffic to your store. By optimizing your Shopify store, you can appear higher in search engine results. Tips for SEO. Conduct keyword research to find relevant terms your target audience is searching for. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and images with these keywords. Create high-quality blog content related to your niche to attract and educate potential customers. 5. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to engage with your customers and drive sales. Why email marketing? It allows you to communicate directly with your audience. You can send personalized offers and updates to encourage repeat purchases. It's relatively low cost compared to other marketing channels. Tips for email marketing. Build an email list by offering incentives like discounts or free guides. Send regular newsletters with valuable content and product updates. Segment your email list to send targeted campaigns based on customer behavior. And there you have it. The top 5 ways to grow your Shopify dropshipping store with little money. By leveraging social media, creating a YouTube channel, building a brand, optimizing for SEO, and utilizing email marketing, you can build a successful and profitable business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to the Gold Wave Network for more tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.